1, go.
If we have a skein of geese in this match, it's not good. That means that the robots are airborne. And this is definitely a terrestrial game. 1640 Sabotage showing that terrestrial game for the Red Alliance as they climb onto the charge station. They're engaged for the Red Alliance. 321 Robo Lancers with their Goose Loose E. They were able to engage at the end of autonomous mode. Real-time score shows the advantage to the Red Alliance. Still anybody's game. 9014 Vulcan Mechanics pushing around Pyotech. 834 Spartex still able to weave their way around, getting over to the red loading zone. Excellent intake mechanism. Interesting use for Spartex. If you take a look, they have 3 different rollers on that intake. Most teams will have some claws or one roller. What that allows them to do is grab the cone securely in one spot and the cube securely in another. With 95 seconds remaining, Malvern Robotics 1168 waiting in the blue community. FT8 Mike taking a look at their robot. Meanwhile, 1640 Sabotage able to complete a link for the Red Alliance and zipping across field back to the red loading zone. Right next to them, 321. That would be the Robo Lancers. They've got a cone in hand trying to line up to place it on the middle node. They do. At center field, Pyotech and Vulcan Mechanics. They're engaged in the Texas two-step do-si-do, making the field look like Cotman Avenue. Spartex waiting patiently for the end of the game with 52 seconds remaining. 1640 Sabotage racing cross field. No match for Vulcan Mechanics. Meanwhile, 321 Robo Lancers. Did you know that geese can see UV light? They don't need the UV light. They're able to use the regular spectrum to see it. They've got another cone placed for the Blue Alliance. 30 seconds left. That means we're at endgame. Teams lining up to go onto that charge station. 9014 Malvern, 1168 Malvern Robotics with their partners 9014 Vulcan Mechanics. 2 blue robots engaged with 12 seconds remaining. 321 Robolancers trying to get an additional score. Pyotech and 1640, they're engaged with 4 seconds remaining. Can we get one last score? 321 Robolancers able to get back to the blue community and park. Our referees are taking a close look at the red charge station. We'll be back with the official scores in just a moment. The win goes to the Red Alliance in qualification match 51 with a score of 94-84. A close match. The grid making the difference for the Red Alliance. Helped moving all those teams up in the rankings. Sabotage moving up to 10th.